about and paste into services. Service. And from the service page, you will delete the banner part. From the service page, you can delete the banner part. Okay, hope you deleted the banner. Section was banner 2, and after that, remaining is your about us content. Convert into services, our services, services. Okay, hope deleted and made our services. Look at this, how it works. Something like this. So this will convert like this. 3 icons will be there, and everywhere you can see banner will get removed. Remaining will work for register also, login also, and customers also. Please confirm as well. Your page look like this or something else. We have taken the copy from which file? About file. Banner we have deleted, and this we are replaced with our services. Next after that, we will be creating the next file. The next file is called register. Next file is called a register. So please create a next file. Give the file name register.html. You can take the copy of this current file, that is called service file. Register.html and delete everything from the container. Each one you can keep, and remaining all the divisions you can delete. Delete the footer section, you will be there, because the header part remains same always, footer also remains same. Header, footer, you are not going to change anything. Between the section tag we have, the section tag content will keep changing. Section tag will yeah, ready. So container is not services. So we can go to the register file icon, let it be similar, and then we can change here. Now instead of this, we are going to keep as a login, user login. H2 you can keep here for login. Before login, we will keep a log symbol, tag open close. Inside the I, you will write class equal to fa hyphen lock. fa lock, it will give a very good lock symbol. It will give a very good lock symbol. Lock symbol. Fa lock symbol will appear. Oh, lock should not be here. Here we should have user plus. Instead of lock, keep a user plus, user hyphen plus. User plus. User plus symbol you can keep there. User plus symbol we can keep there. So hope we will get now the symbol of user plus. User plus, and here register we have written by mistake. It should be registered. It should be as a register. Should be as a register. Now after that, come down below. Here we can display one form without table. Div class equal to a row, you can write here a row row, and inside the row you write a division class equal to column hyphen 4. So it's column 4 is nothing but, or column 3 is nothing but 30% of the width. And next class called column 6. Class is called column 6. Next class is called column 6. So column 3, column 6, we have to create 2 class in that, and after that again you have to write below division class equal to clear block, because in this both we are going to write float left. Once we write, then clear block become compulsory. Float left, then clear block become compulsory. Without clear block, overlapping will happen. We'll write inside call full name. Then here you will write a text box. Input type equal to text, and class equal to input box. Input box. Class equal to input box. Input box. If we run this page, it will look little odd only. It will go here, there. We have to arrange using CSS, then it will be proper. So for that, we require to keep in a proper division and then align the center properly. Okay, hope ready. Now this all things container you have followed, that is okay. Inside the container you have to follow another division. Give the division as input block id equal to 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 input block. Hope done till here. We need to write the css for input block and css for the row, css for the column. All I have written class so that we can use many times. Call 3, call 6, input box, and then clear block. Many classes we have to write. Then only this page will look organized. Else it will go here there. Without table, we have to write CSS for each line. Then only it will be organized. Full name and text box also we can bring in one line. So what we can do? We should move next to the CSS part. CSS file we can go. That is called style.css file. Style.css file. In a style.css file, they will come in the last, and we can write the CSS for this one. First for which one? Input block is the ID. So each page we can keep one input block. There we can keep width close to 400 width, and after that margin auto margin auto, and one box shadow 0 pixel 5 pixel as blue color, and then you can write padding also inside somewhere 15 px, and then you can write, okay, keep this much border radius border hyphen radius maybe 10 px. There will be little curve, not much curve. A small curve will get applied on that. It will look better. Input block is ready. Please click once. Oh, such a big here. Why such a big? Padding how much I have written? I was supposed to write 1.5, but written 1.15. See, it's look like this. The radius should not be that much. The radius should not be that much. Border radius 5 you can keep, or you can keep 0 also, or you can remove also. We have to give margin top. Margin hyphen top. Margin top somewhere 30 pixel. So from top side there will be some sufficient gap and it will look better. Please check once. Input block is coming something like this. Some gap from the top. Now this text box should be in one line. This text box should be in one line. Hello sir. हाँ आज तो बात हुआ है. हाँ कॉल करने वाले थे वो. हाँ हाँ हाँ. वो डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह तो भेजी थी कल परसों. कल आया था शायद डॉक्यूमेंट. हाँ कल आया था. असाइनमेंट करने वाला. बाकी वो पूनम कॉल की थी कि ये लिस्ट भेज दीजिए. हम बोले ठीक है कल सुबह के 10 बजे तक भेजते हैं. हम्म हम्म. अच्छा अच्छा. ठीक है. हाँ हाँ हाँ. नहीं कल भेजते हैं आपको. मतलब वो तो मैडम बोल रही थी कि 30-40 प्रोफाइल भेजिए तो उसमें से 2-3 हम लोग अच्छा निकालेंगे. हम बोले ठीक है मैं कल फिल्टर करके भेजता हूँ. हाँ 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 मैं. हाँ हाँ. ठीक है मैं. वो हाँ वो मैं भेजने के बाद मैं आपको अलग से मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि इस लिस्ट में इतने लोग अच्छे हैं ये देख लीजिए. एक बार थोड़ा फ्लो शुरू हो जाएगा ना तो हो सकता है बाद में कुछ अच्छा हो. हम्म. अच्छा अच्छा. हाँ हाँ हाँ. ओहो. तो कम से कम अगर कल बताया रहते तो मैं एक्सेल में डाउनलोड करके आज मॉर्निंग भेज दिया होता. हाँ हाँ नहीं भी. हाँ हाँ. वो बैच खत्म हुआ है. मतलब कि 4-5 दिन पहले बैच खत्म हुआ है. उन लोगों का रिडक्स का भी कुछ पार्ट खत्म हो गया. एक क्लास रिडक्स का बाकी है. तो रिडक्स एपीआई के साथ. नहीं तो रिडक्स अभी हमने सैटरडे संडे को प्लस 2-4 दिन पहले और पढ़ाया रिडक्स. ठीक. हाँ हाँ कल कल 10 बजे तक आपको लिस्ट मिल जाएगा. उसमें जो मतलब कि मैं आपको बता दूंगा सीक्वेंस में कि 1 से 10 तक वाले आप अपने रिकमेंड करिए. ठीक है. हाँ हाँ हाँ. हम्म हम्म. ना ना ठीक है. हम कल आज रात को मैं बैठ के डेटा फिल्टर करके और फिर अच्छा उसमें पहले जो इंटरव्यू कुछ लड़का लोग अटेंड किया था. पता है रिटेन टेस्ट नहीं दिया था सब. मैं देख लेता हूँ जो गया होगा वो नहीं भेजूंगा. जो नहीं गया वो सब भेजूंगा. उसमें हम चेक कर लेंगे. बस डुप्लीकेट जो ऑलरेडी गया होगा वो तो एक्सेल में है ही है. वो नहीं भेजेंगे. जो बाकी जो 18-20 लोग अभी निकला है वो और कुछ और लोग हैं वो मैं भेजता हूँ आपको जो मिसिंग थे कहीं से. ठीक है. बात कर सकते हैं ना. जैसे मान लीजिए कि बात कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो वीकेंड में अगर टाइम है तो आ जाइए सैटरडे वैटरडे. हाँ हाँ हाँ. हम्म.
I said, please check. Yes, now it's in progress.
You got message from where? Okay, let's see here what is happening. Coming in the same line now. Same line. You have a class that you need to write that is called clear both. Clear block and row class and input box also. So there is a class called dot input block. Here you will write clear colon both, clear both. Then you have a class called input box. For that, to increase the height to somewhere 28 pixel and keep the width to 100%. 100% of that 73%. 100% of 73%. Width got increased, height also got increased. Then if you click inside, color is getting changed, black, that is because of outline. You have to write here under the input box, outline as a none. Outline colon as a none. Outline none. Outline as a none. If you click inside, you will not see any kind of line or darkness anywhere. So now this row class, we have one row class, we can write something for that also. Inside the row, there should be margin in the bottom, margin hyphen bottom 10px, so that after first row, second row will have some space. After first row, second row, you will have some space. Okay, clear? So we got something. Let's go ahead now. So similar or different? Other people who said something. You have something similar? CSS. Hello. Yes, madam. Okay. Yes, please, madam. Which company? Okay, PTY. Okay, please go ahead. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. WordPress developer. Okay. WordPress, madam, last few, like almost 1 year, you can say we have very less people on WordPress. Okay, most of the people are moving in the front end, full stack, back end, Java, Python, this and all. Okay. Madam, you need to give time. We will check in the database how many people are there, then we can tell you. Yeah, yes, yeah. Please send a email. Yeah, I will write. I will write. I'll tell you now. Can you make a note anyway? Okay. Huh. Huh. Yeah, no problem, no problem. So how will send? Will you text or shall I make a note? Sure, sir. Please text on this number. We'll check in application how many people are there for that, and then we can send you the list with everything. You can have a look into it. Yeah. Sure, sure. Yeah, yes. Okay. Okay, sorry. So hope done. Now after that, come to the next part, to your HTML file, and you have written the row. Some people have asked someday, like we are creating based on table, how to create based on division. So what is happening? One division is working like as a parent, another division is working like as a child. So it's become as a nested division. Nested division. But in that case, we have to write the CSS for each and everything, then only it will be managed. Without CSS, it will not be managed. So now you have some level. If you write CSS, then you can understand. Beginning, I have followed the table. Why? Because that time we were not in the very inside of CSS. Okay. Why we write column? Why we write? So here it's saying, right? Suppose full name you have one. So full name will come in one line, and one line also we split it into two part. One is called 3, another one is 6. 6 means 70% width, and then 3 means something less. 70-30 combination with it. Okay. Now you will at this clear block, why I have written, because you are writing here and here is a float left. Float left, if you have written, there is a chances of content overlapping. So in that case, we can write clear block, and then clear block will help you to remove the unnecessary overlapping. Copy this row, paste here. Full name. After that, email ID. Email ID. Input type equal to email. Please check now. Okay, hope ready. Two field, something like this. Add one more email, password, city, drop down, everything you can add. Go ahead, repeat the row one after that, and
Sir, instead of using table TRTSTD, we can use deep class row for
no, row is
export.
not exist. You have written the class CSS, no? Class row we
Yes,
have, for that we have written the
yes, yes.
CSS. It is not
Hmm.
exist anything. It's not ready-made. We have written everything for this classes. 3, 6,
Hmm.
you can see because we have written the CSS for all today. If you will not write CSS, all will print in the new line.
Okay.
full name, email ID. Next, after that, we can go here and we can add one more called password field. Add one more password field. Input type equal to password. Is the best practice table of div. Division is the best practice. Bootstrap is based on division only. Bootstrap is based on division. So we should keep a practice of div. So hope ready. How many field? 3 field. Create one city drop down and then see that will also come from.
So why are we not using form tags, sir, instead of using div?
Instead of using div.
Div tags, sir. Why are we not using form tag?
Form tag is for something else. Form tag and div has no any kind of relation.
Because actually we are here creating a form, sir.
Form
So
we are
we can,
form we are creating, so you are not learning something called synchronous application. There is a two type of application in the market. One
okay,
is
sir.
called synchronous, another one is called asynchronous. If you need to learn Angular React, then form will not come in the picture. You don't need form tag at all. Everything will happen through asynchronous way. So in that case, you can use form also, you cannot. See, if you want to
Sure,
use,
sir.
open the form here and close the form here. There is no role of the form in this design. We are not learning functionality, we are learning design. Open the form and close the form. And see, are you finding any difference?
No, sir.
Open the form and no, first do no. First without doing, how gonna say no? First do that. Then find, are you finding any difference without form and with form in design? In design, do you have any difference with form and without form? Nothing changes. Nothing changes will happen because form is for the different purpose, division is for the different purpose.
Yes,
Division
sir.
used to divide the page into multiple blocks. Okay. Huh? For ID class, once we learn the Angular or React, that time I'll guide you. That is not required now, so we'll not write that. Okay. Once we come to the position, then we'll add. Suppose we write form ID class 100 property will write, and then instead of understanding the CSS, you get confused in the form itself. In fact, form is not required as of now. Form, once it will come, that will be required once we do the form validation, either Angular, React or JavaScript that time. Okay, so after writing now, and then in the form there is a 7-8 property. If you write all 7-8 property, then what will happen? Like it will be overload for you. Use is not there, but still you are overloaded. So better you keep that inside, learn CSS and keep inside. Once JavaScript will come, then we'll learn the form. Once Angular React will come, then we'll learn the form. Okay, coming next, I hope you added a select drop down. Are you adding a select box? Put here and keep a select all city name. city name. Select open close. After that, select will open. Select open, select is close. Inside that select option is open. We can write here for choose city. Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Mumbai, Pune. Save it and check once whether all are available in the list or not. All are coming in the chat or not. So hope looks similar design. Something like this. Width remain same. Width remain same. Now you create below two radio button. Create below gender and put two radio button. Create the gender box and create two radio button. Create one more row, two radio button gender.
So for radio button, no need for giving class info box.
Date of birth. Two radio button in one line. 3 will remain same. DOB 9 will be. So date of birth will be like this. Oh, sorry, gender. It was gender, correct? Gender or date of birth? Gender. 2 radio button you will create within the 6 input type equal to radio. Class not required here. You need to write the name as a gender. And you will keep here call male and female. Gender added, and hope it look like this. Next, we can add one more called text area for address purpose. Text area for address purpose. Full address. Text area. Text area. Open close. Class equal to same class. Input box here written on the top. Right, same. Input box. Radio button size, you can try some height width. For text area, you have to write one more class here. On big box. Increase the CSS using the big box. Increase the height of the text area using the big box. Increase the height of text area using the big box. Using the big box class, increase the height of the text area. Text area will come same size, same height. You have to write the CSS for a class called big box. In that, write height as somewhere 70 px. And write a class in that, give the height as 70 px somewhere. Class combine together. Now after that, it is touching in the last again. The height, the box. See the box is touching down. See, box has started stretching down. So what we have to do? We have to give some space here. So how to give a space? Two options. Either after section you write a BR, or in the CSS file for this one for input block. You have to give margin bottom something. Margin bottom we have to give something. So we'll go to the CSS and input block we have margin top we have written. Similar we write margin hyphen bottom also somewhere 30 px. You will have some very good space in the down. Coming space in the last. See, space got applied. Now to increase the height of the text area, you have written a class called big box. So we can write a class here called big box. There you can increase the height to how much? 70 or 80 something. So it will increase the height of text area. Now create a button and write the CSS for that. Button should come in by default. Which color will fit here? Okay, orange color. Text we have orange color. Button should be by default orange color. On hover should become blue color. After click it should convert into black color or red color. Okay, by default different color, on hover different color, and on click different color. We have some idea, please write it. On click different color. Okay, button is ready. By default different color, on click different color, on hover different color. Anyone can share the CSS also in chat. You should have button. That button will be by default in red color or any color. On button click will convert into different color. On mouse move will convert into different color. Here is the button. It will come in left side. By default, if you want, you can use here it center tag to put in center. Button type you can mention button. If you want to write any ID class, you can write. Okay, no one can give anyone CSS for this button. This button is helpless, waiting for your CSS code. On click some different look, over different code look. Not came, only just one line has come. To send Muskan. No, please send all code, no? Top, padding, background, border will come something else. The board in this case, button will have border. The border is coming. This CSS code you are written in urgent. You have not written properly. Please modify that. Click is not happening.
So you are right. I have written in urgent only.
Yeah, you have written in urgent. After looking the code, I can understand.
Yeah.
See, apply some padding, some background border. It will should look like, oh, a engineer has created a button. Tried something. What if people wrote? Let me see. See, your button from white letter. Why so long? Why the border is coming? On click. Okay, click on that. Effect. This is the type that focus. We have seen three types: border, by default, then over, and then focus. Over and focus. Let me write here, okay? So this is the button. Padding top, we don't need anything. Or if you want to write, you can write it. Margin top is okay. Padding 12 px if you give, it will take equal space from all the sides. We should not write like that. Okay, button should be little. Suppose padding, think from top, 8 pixel, or let it be 10 pixel. Okay, top, then from left right, give 25 px. Then from bottom, give it 10 px. Okay, back is white. Okay, that is also fine. Border is coming. Keep border as a none. BOR, border is a none. After that, what should happen? Color we wrote, border we wrote, cursor. When mouse should go there, user will feel like it's ready to click. After that, button colon focus. Once you click on that, it's by default you are given a green. So after click, convert into red. Okay. Over, what should happen? Convert into black. It will look cross color. Yes, changes is happening. Okay. Font weight, if you want, you can increase the font size also little, or by default, whichever size is also okay.
Sir,
Written.
sir,
Tell me.
sir, instead of section, if like we have taken ID as a container, instead of section, can we take div also? That will also work.
You can take div also. Section is from the HTML5, div from the HTML4.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We need to run behind the candidate to upload the profile in our portal. All them upload here. There is an interview. People will be sleeping. Okay. Later, once job will not happen, then we'll say like I have not got job. Okay. See, some people will call us. I'm not getting interview calls. Then we'll say, come. I'll send you the screenshot. See how many times your resume has gone to company. Which are the company gone? Which date gone? Who was the company? And everything. How many times your profile is downloaded and shortlisted? And what are the company has put your profile not received a call, and that many days you have received the email and everything. Check your email first. Then the people will open eyes. Oh, I missed out so many opportunities. I hope your page is ready. Once you click, it will become as a black. Go here, blue. By default is a green. Next, after that, once the user will click in any of the text box, it should have a kind of a red border or maybe some orange or blue border. Where for the text boxes. If you remember one place, we are written the margin. We are written one place called for input box. For input box, if you see, you are written outline is what? None. Outline is none. Okay. Now come down below. And for input box only, you can write input box colon focus. Input box colon focus. FOCUS focus. Input box colon focus. Border 2px. Border 2px solid red. Okay, so once you click under the text box, what will happen is, see, red is happening. 2 pixel become little more. This should be less only. 1 px you could try, or maybe 1.5. 1.5 px also you can try. Text box. See, once you click here, what is happening? Converting into red. That is called outline. Border outline. We have made as a none, and on click we are changing to particular border line. Next page will be login page. We can take the copy of this page and we can remove many things and we'll keep only email and password. So try quickly. Please try that. Login page, we can take the copy of register. Login .html and button you can convert into login. Delete all, keep email and password. And user plus you can convert into log. Login. Click check once. That's बढ़िया.